Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're going to dive into the world of Yamaha's R15 V4, and specifically, we'll be discussing its impressive specs. So, let's get started. First up, the R15 V4 boasts a 155cc, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine. This powerful engine is capable of producing 19.3 horsepower at 10,000 revolutions per minute and 14.7 nanometers of torque at 8,500 revolutions per minute. The R15 V4 also features a 6-speed gearbox, ensuring smooth and efficient shifting. Moving on to the chassis, the R15 V4 sports a lightweight steel diamond frame, which contributes to its nimble handling. The suspension system consists of 41mm telescopic forks up front and a mono shock at the rear, providing a comfortable ride. Braking duties are handled by a 282mm disc at the front and a 220mm disc at the rear, ensuring quick and responsive stopping power. The R15 V4 also features a 10-spoke cast aluminum alloy wheel, which not only looks great but also helps to reduce unsprung weight. Lastly, the R15 V4 comes equipped with a digital instrument cluster, providing all the necessary information to the rider. It also features a dual-tone paint scheme, adding a touch of style to this sporty machine. That's it for today's tech info on the Yamaha R15 V4. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting tech news.